How many drops of water can fall within 20 years? How many grains of sand can be sprinkled within 7,306 days? How many lines of code can be written within 175,344 hours? IntexSoft. We have been transforming ideas into programs for 20 years. Have you ever wondered what stands behind the life path of the company? This is a tangle of destinies, events, and even happenstance. You can say sometimes it is enough to be in the right place at the right moment, but after all, like-minded people must wait for you there. Every day, our team helps businesses make the right choice. Sometimes, it seems our work looks monotonous. But this is far from the case. It was only yesterday when we worked in different areas and industries. We studied and taught, designed, instructed, rescued, built, entertained, healed. Now we have something in common. We are all IT professionals. Looking ahead, we are well aware that the road to our goals will not be easy and short. Tireless, assertive, optimistic, and daring. All is feasible when we are together. Together, we are never bored. We are a team of people who ask questions, think, listen, fantasize, compare, study, and act. We are ambitious and want to be useful. The more difficult the task is, the more reasons there are for us to start it right now. IntexSoft has come a long way in 20 years. We know what to do, where, and most importantly, with whom. Our company creates solutions for thousands of users around the world, unites more than 300 like-minded people, has implemented over 300 projects in 24 countries. Hundreds of companies trust us. Having started in Grodno, we came to Minsk, Berlin, Wrocław, Novosibirsk, and Nur-Sultan. Each of us is concerned about the question, what's next? What is our immediate goal? And the answer is solving very great tasks with a very big team.